Hey everybody, I'm Chris from Guaranty RV in Junction City, and I'm really excited to show you this trailer. This is a 2019 Heritage Glen by Forest River. It's a 22-foot rear bath with a slide. It's really neat. I'm going to show you a couple features real quick, okay? You do have a power tongue jack, two big, huge tanks. One of the largest pass-throughs in all of trailers. And you can see the construction, how beautiful this is made. You do have solar on the side, a big long awning with outdoor speakers and a place for a TV so you can do some tailgating. And I want to show you something back here that's kind of cool. It is backup camera prepped, and there is this rack on the back that comes with it, so you can store extra gear, coolers, generators, bikes, whatever. Pretty awesome. And this comes with one of the wider doors, entry doors, and nice solid steps with a grab handle. And right when you walk in, you'll see one of my favorite parts of this trailer. Look at this huge closet that you can use for a pantry or whatever it is that you want to take with you. Pretty fantastic. You're going to notice that right here, we've got a wonderful couch. This actually makes into a twin bed, and you have a chaise lounge. Really nice upholstery, very comfortable, and you're sitting right in front of the TV without having to look right or left or watch TV over your shoulder. There's a wonderful fireplace. It's electric. It actually heats, and it's very beautiful. You have all of your DVD and surround sound stuff right here. AC. And look at this kitchen, isn't that great? Plenty of counter space. It's kind of neat. You have a room to put a crock pot, Instapot, Keurig, whatever up there, and plug-ins for everything. One of the most beautiful kitchens, really. You've definitely got everything that you would normally need in your microwave, your 3-burner cook stove, an oven. This one even has an extra drawer underneath the oven. You just don't see that in trailers very often. That's really cool. And you look back here, really nice master bedroom. There is a sliding door here for privacy. The mattresses are very nice quality. This is a very nice mattress. And you lift that up, you got plenty of storage underneath. And plenty of extra storage in your shirt closets and overhead bins. You got a lot of room for gear in just a small trailer like this. And this is what everyone loves, is this big bathroom. Check it out. So you do have a sliding, like a barn door, and you'll see that it's got a wonderful walk-in shower, lots of storage, plenty of room to actually towel dry, change your clothes, do everything in privacy. It's got a window that looks outside, which is kind of neat. And it's just a wonderful trailer. This would be a great trailer for it's like the perfect couples trailer, really. And it's really lightweight and easy to tow. We have a lot of these, different floor plans of these. We've got some that are even bigger if that's what you like, but I think this one's pretty great, and I think you should come out and take a look at it. I would love to help you. Please give me a call. My name is Chris.Buystedt. My number is 541-636-7878.